Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best clay sculpting tool set made of stainless steel. The CYNAMED 12-piece wax and clay sculpting tool Carver set. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced sculptor, this is a toolkit that deserves your full attention. Right out of the box, you'll notice how neatly arranged and precisely crafted each piece is. Manufactured by Surgical Design, Inc., this 1-2PK set is designed for versatility and durability. Every tool is made from premium quality stainless steel, ensuring they won't rust or corrode even with heavy use. You can tell just by holding one that it's made to last. What really makes this set stand out is that all 12 tools are double-sided. That's right, 24 different carving, modeling, cutting, scraping, and shaping options all in one compact toolkit. Each end has a different shape and function, allowing for intricate detailing or broader sculpting work depending on your needs. And they're all roughly 6 inches in length, which makes them a great size to work with, not too big to be clumsy, but not too small to limit control. As you start using them, the difference in control and precision compared to plastic or wooden alternatives becomes obvious. Whether you're working on polymer clay, wax, ceramics, or even fondant for cake decorations, these tools give you professional-level finesse. The balance and weight of the stainless steel make detailed carving feel natural and effortless. And because they're all stainless steel, cleaning up after a long sculpting session is a breeze. Just rinse, wipe dry, and store. No splinters, no bent tips, and no discoloration over time. One small but significant detail is how uniform and polished the construction feels. There are no rough edges or loose parts. Each tool feels like it's been crafted with precision. It doesn't just perform well, it feels premium in your hand. What also makes this product a great buy is its adaptability. Artists, model makers, hobbyists, even dental technicians or jewelers will find this set extremely useful. And with a total of 12 tools, you're not just buying a sculpting set. You're building your entire workflow. As of now, this set is available in various pack sizes, including 4-piece, 6-piece, and even a 10-piece version. But if you want the most comprehensive toolkit from the get-go, the 1-2PK is the clear winner. It's surprisingly affordable, making it a fantastic value for the quality you're getting. It's also sold by a small business brand, which is always a bonus when you're looking to support independent manufacturers. So if you're ready to upgrade your sculpting game with reliable tools that can handle everything from delicate engraving to heavy-duty carving, the CYNAMED stainless steel sculpting toolset should be your go-to choice. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more hands-on reviews. See you in the next one.